how to delete your Shein account. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video I'll guide you on how you can delete your Shein account, so just make sure to watch the video till the very end. So if you'd like to basically delete your Shein account, all you have to do is simply go ahead and then first of all launch the Shein application that you can find over here, and then make sure that you're signed into the correct account that you want to delete. Then you want to make sure to tap the me icon or the account icon from the bottom right of the screen to come to this page. Then from the very top right hand side you can find this little gear icon, which is the settings cog icon. You want to make sure to tap on that, and then under it again you'll find this option known as manage my account. You want to make sure to tap on manage my account. Under manage my account, if you look over here, you have this option over here that says delete account. You want to make sure to tap on delete account. Now all you have to do is simply go ahead and then apply to delete account. Now you can just need your ID verification, other accounts complete, and wallets settled. Then after you've done that, just tap on apply to delete account and then just go ahead and then delete your account respectively. In that way it will send an email to your Shein email. Then after that you can just go ahead and select this option. Once it's selected, just select this option called delete data and your Shein account will be successfully deleted. And this way you can delete your Shein account. Hope this video was very helpful to you guys, and if it did help you, then make sure to leave a like and subscribe to our channel. And if you have any questions, feel free to leave them down below. Thank you for watching till the end of this tutorial, and see you soon in the next video.